Hey guys, from this episode on, we'll be focusing on vocabulary highlights from the book Build a Second Brain. You guys remember what I said? I want to take in more English language through reading books, and I want to optimize the mechanism to boost productivity and increase output. I guess the best way to do it is resort to computer. I pulled out useful expressions automatically using Python and showcase some of the representative selections in this video. Today we'll explore the commonly used patterns of adjectives and nouns from the book. If you want to check out the selected list, go and visit my WeChat account where you could also download the ebook with highlights I did for you. You're welcome. So let's binge learn them all together. Loads of parallels, adjectives, and nouns are used in this book. Not only do they make objects more specific and precise, they also maintain the balance of sentences. Here are some brilliant ones. Overwhelming and frantic. Overwhelmed, exhausted. Taxing and stressful. Scatterbrained and tired. Confronting and scary, bleak and uncertain, clean and organized, chaotic and unpredictable, fragile and tentative, abstract and immaterial, trivial and unneeded, disconnected and scattered, timeless and unchanging, outdated and obsolete, secret and secluded, enraptured and obsessed, engaged and inquisitive, small and compact, shy and introverted, shiny and new, regular and orderly, shareable and collaborative, improvisational and spontaneous, sensationalistic and offensive, rigid and formulaic, reliable and consistent, critical and commercial, personal and professional, mental and physical, abstract and concrete, comprehensive or precise, stuck or overwhelmed, 重大的, lofty and grand, grand and sweeping, 成功的有影响力的 recognized and influential, successful and influential, successful and prolific, original and impactful, 实用的 practical and powerful, grounded and practical, 简单的 easy and light, easy and fractious, 便捷灵活的 effective and convenient, flexible and convenient, malleable and flexible, 有用的 relevant and useful, accessible and useful, useful and beneficial, functional and relevant. Bits and pieces, odds and ends, pots and pans, divergence and convergence, lives and livelihoods, details and subtleties, jobs and endeavors, goals and commitments, facts and figures, kickoff and completion, limitations and constraints, cliché and gimmicky. Other than the parallelism, the author supplied us with tons of adjective plus noun collocations, which you are probably in search of for your spoken and written English. Explosive growth, 爆炸式增长 pervasive feeling, 普遍感受 underlying principle, 隐性原则 public persona, 公众形象 side gig, 副业 digital hoarding, 数字囤积症 tacit knowledge, 隐性的默认你就知道的知识 gradual accumulation, 日积月累 central pillar, 顶梁柱 a force for good, 正能量marginalized people, 边缘人群 working process, 半成品 performing arts, 表演艺术 radical change, 巨变 splintered attention, 碎片化的注意力 vain hope, 妄想 a tangible entity, 实体 a vague concept, 模糊的概念 a mediocre student, 表现平平的学生 a pivotal role, 关键角色 a dedicated place, 专门的地方 a heartfelt passion, 由衷的热情 a tight deadline, 很紧的时间要求 a nascent idea, 不成熟的想法 full-fledged works, 成熟完善的作品 a rabid fan, 狂热的粉丝 stark contrast, 鲜明的对比 fleeting thoughts, 转瞬即逝的想法 jumble of thoughts, 杂乱的想法 eclectic tastes, 兼容并蓄的口味 lightweight bits of, 轻量级的 a long slog of, 长途跋涉或者是长时间艰苦的做什么事情 a sheer amount of, 绝对数量的 So how are you holding up? It's just the combinations of small words which create this natural coherency and fluency. And I hope you enjoy it, though it's a little bit overwhelming. And I'll be loading you with verbs and adverbs in tomorrow's episode, and I'll see you around.